Yeah, we bought these in the summer, actually. They still got stickers on them. Reason being, it was actually cheaper to buy them in August, so that we not only save money, but we beat the rush of everyone coming in to buy winters during the winter. So, lugs should be 17. Okay. 19. 19. The hell? Are these keyed? No, they're normal. What the? Okay. Wait a minute. 19 doesn't fit. What's this? 21? Oh, what the hell? Barely 21. Wow, it's good. Good thing. What about I got an Imperial here. How about 13/16? 21 mil. You see, that's the thing about Imperial, is that they say bracket parentheses 21, but it's never actually a converted 21, because an actual 21 won't move, but a converted one will. Guess I could try the Imperial. Yeah, these tires are toast. 195, 65, 15s. We're going down in diameter, but up in profile. Reason being, I found these rims in my garage. So, no joke. So, I put some winters on. Look at these. Brand new. Listen to that. Oh, you gotta love it. Oh, yeah. This. Whoever put these lug nuts on when I bought the car in March probably reefed on them, so I don't think I can get this out with the gun. No. Oh, maybe. Wait. Oh, guess I can. Look at that. There's nothing nicer than fresh meat touching the ground. Look at that. Now, there is one thing I would have changed that I still can. They're sitting a little far in. The offset, or inset as they call it here, the inset is a little bit further in than I would have liked. But it's a van. It's a means to an ends vehicle. This isn't a performance vehicle. I already checked. I can do full crank either way. I spun the wheel, so we're good on that. I mean, and it looks good from most angles. Like, looks great here, and you're like, what the hell happened? It's really sunken in, but that can all be changed when I do my brakes. When I have to do my brakes, I can just buy some spacers and push them out a little bit. So that's not an issue, but this is just for the winter months. I really like these wheels, honestly, and this is almost kind of like I'm making the best out of a situation because they were free. I found them. I literally found them in the shed. So they were from a 2005 Serena from 2016. I had these as the winter wheel, so I took the tires off and put new meats on these guys. So these haven't even rolled. This portion has not even touched the ground yet. Yeah, really excited to have some nice stuff on the car, you know. Next thing I'm going to do on the Serena is probably going to source some headlights. It's getting a little bit yellow, and it really brings down the value of the car when you have yellow headlights. And I'm also going to get this crap off. I might even see if they have a trim piece that just goes on here, because, yeah, this is looking really jank, and I would just like to clean that part up. Maybe need just like a matte black stripe or something. Maybe some yellow fogs, just simple things, because this is just a daily. It's nothing special. I'm not going to put a toe strap on it. Can I put a toe strap on it? I could do a Subway handle on the back, but I don't think I can do a actual toe strap. Because I can do a strap. I can't do a tow hook. Yeah. You have a strap right there. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, That's what I got running on my cappuccino here. I didn't have a tow hook, but I got an OMP tow strap that just looks absolutely badass. So that's the Serena. There it is, working well, driving well. Now it's safe for the winter months. Let's do it.